Zach Ginn here, Flip with Rick. Today we're going to be talking about Bandit Signs in 2019. What are Bandit Signs? Bandit Signs are these nice, pretty little signs here that we use to find motivated sellers with sweat equity. So I'm going to break down today how to get a Bandit sign and how to put them out and how to start making money with them. So first things first, we need the sign. What you need to do is go to your local print shop, find the cheapest guy. I'll print out a one color sign. It can be either white on black, be a yellow sign on black ink, or you can go very exotic, get a white on red, white on blue, get a design like that going. You're gonna have the guy print it, make sure it's cheap, around, if you get it under $2 a sign, you should be good, including the stake. And just gonna show you real quick. So we got the sign right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have the sign, you're gonna have the full stakes. So we're gonna buy these stakes. We're not gonna buy the half ones already cut for us. This can be cheaper, so we're gonna have this one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna buy some bolt cutters. I have found these at Harbor Freight, they're pretty cheap. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut like this. Show you. All right, you're gonna cut that part and then cut the other part. All right, that was pretty rough, but hey, so you're gonna make them to two, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep the other one for the other signs you got, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna stick the stakes in here, and you're gonna do about as many as you can or you can afford. Let's see. All right, stuck in here. So next thing we're gonna do next is we're just gonna stick those little thingies on the ground, and we're just gonna get our phone calls. So Zach, we'll Flip with Rick. I don't stick these out myself. I pay people to do them for me, but I created videos like these for the employees so they know what to do. I just send them all the materials. They put them all together for me. So Zach and Flip with Rick showing you Bandit Signs Work in 2019, guys. Keep doing them. Your competition's not doing them because it's just too much work and it's too expensive for them. It's cheaper than direct mail. It's a little bit more work, but trust me, that's how I got started in real estate investing. Help you too. Thanks. Zach Ginn signing out.